तनुजाते जय हे कर्नाटक माते जय सुंदर नदी वनगळनाडे।
Karnataka is the state in southwestern region of India. It is the largest state in South India and seventh largest in India, originally known as the state of Mysore. Its capital and the largest city is Bangalore. It contains 31 districts and its official language is Kannada. Karnataka holds numerous spots of interest for tourists. There is an array of ancient temples, modern cities, hilly ranges, forests and beaches. Karnataka has been ranked as fourth most popular destination for tourism among the states of India. Karnataka has the second highest number of nationally protected monuments in India.
Kerala is a state on the southwestern Malabar coast of India. It was formed on 1st November 1956, following the passage of the State Reorganisation Act by combining Malayalam-speaking regions of the erstwhile state of Travancore, Cochin and Madras. Spread over 38,863 kilometers, Kerala is the 21st largest Indian state by area. It is bordered by Karnataka to the north and northeast, Tamil Nadu to the east and south, and the Lakshadweep Sea to the west. With 33,387,000 inhabitants as per the 2011 census, Kerala is the 13th largest Indian state by population. It is divided into 14 districts, the capital being Thiruvananthapuram. Malayalam is the most widely spoken language and is also the official language of the state. Tamil Nadu is a state in southern India. Its capital and largest city is Chennai. Tamil Nadu lies in the southernmost part of the Indian subcontinent and the South Indian states of Kerala, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. The region was ruled by several empires, including the great empires Chera, Chola and Pandyan empires, which shaped the region's cuisine, culture and architecture. Tamil Nadu is the 10th largest Indian state by area and the 6th largest by population. The economy of Tamil Nadu is the second largest state economy in India with 18.45 trillion in gross domestic product. Tamil Nadu is the most urbanized state in India and one of the most industrialized states. The manufacturing sector accounts more than one-third of the state's GDP.